Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kalia, and today we are going to be doing our eyebrows. Now, your eyebrows are super duper important. So you will need some type of concealer. I am in love with the LA Girl concealer. It's very cheap. It's like $2. You can get it from like your local hair store or something. Don't judge mine because I'm almost out because I literally use all of it. I am in the shade Toffee. That's the one I use to outline my eyebrows. You will need some type of like primer. I got this from Target, which is the Maybelline Master Prime. I like it. It minimizes your pores. I got this pretty cheap too, so you'll need some type of primer. Next, you really would like to use a flat brush. Okay, we want it as flat as possible. This is my Morphe M432 brush. I got this from Ulta. It was kind of cheap as well. You'll need like your dip brow. I got the Anastasia, if I'm saying that right, dip brow. You can also use like a pencil, but I would prefer you to use the dip brow. Mine's is in dark brown because I like my eyebrows dark. Last but not least, what you'll need is a beauty blender. So I went ahead and I pushed my braids back, and the first thing that I am going to use that I did not mention you'll need some type of like powder. I'm going to use the banana powder. And now once that is placed on your eyebrows, we can go into the next step. Brush. And we want it to make sure it's as flat as it can be. And you'll get your dip brow. We're going to go ahead and open that. So my eyebrows clearly are not done because I'm trying to let my eyebrows grow out. So I'm going to also be teaching you guys a couple of tricks with this. You'll take your brush and you just want to gently outline your eyebrows. So this is giving our eyebrow the shape we want. And I like to bring my eyebrows more in. And then we're going to go ahead and do the same thing to the top. We're just giving it the shape we want. The eyebrow is going to look messed up right now, so don't expect it to be perfect. So the next step we want to do is take one of your little brushes like this and just make sure you brush your hair up so we can see the spots that we actually need to fill in. So now I'm going to just stroke up because I want this to look as natural as possible. And you just want to keep stroking until you feel like you fill in your eyebrow the way you want it. And with the tip of this, I like my hair to look like it's standing up. So I'm just going to do little strokes. So now I feel like my eyebrow is filled in the way I want it to be. I'm going to take this same brush that I use, and you can wipe it off if you want. You're also going to take your concealer, which like I said, I'm using my LA Girl concealer in the shade of Toffee. And because it's literally almost gone, I have to open the whole cap. So with this, I learned a trick. So you don't want too much, but you don't want not enough on your brush. And I learned that if you go the opposite way, give me like a sharper cut with my eyebrow. So you just want to get up under the eyebrow as close as you can. And you just want to stroke it. So now we're going to do the same thing at the top. We're going to go in the opposite direction. And it's okay if you mess up a little bit. If you feel like you have to go the other way, you can. I'm just going to go in and fill the spots that I feel like my concealer covered, which is like right here. So once my eyebrow is the way I want it, it has the arch that I want. I feel like it's filled in enough. I'm going to take my brush and just brush it out. Take your beauty blender. Mine's look like this. And you can make sure it's damp. We're just going to go upward first. If you want to get closer, I would recommend that you switch your brush. I'll be using my Morphe M53 brush, which it looks like this. And I'm just going to blend this out. I'm going to get as close as I can. And this is how I wanted my eyebrows. So this is my finished look. I went ahead and I did my other eyebrow off of camera. As you can see, we want our eyebrows to be sisters, not twins. Sisters. Because we'll never get it perfect. But I think I did a pretty good job of getting it, you know, somewhat similar to each other. They're not too dark. They're not too light. I do like my eyebrows a little bit darker than most people. This is how you get the perfect eyebrows. I hope you guys like them. Please, please, please continue to follow me on my social media, which I'll be linking down below. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, share this post, make sure you comment and let me know if I left any details out or if you guys have any questions about the product that I used in this video. And yeah, I'm sending my love to you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.